afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all doing?
Fine, thank you, ma'am.
As you are aware that we'll be having mathematics this afternoon. Yes or no?
Yes.
So in today's class, we'll be considering binary number system. What did I call it?
Binary number system.
We all know that we can't do without counting every day. Yes or no?
Yes.
We can't do without counting, and it has become part of us. Sometimes we count in tens, we count in 6, we count in 5, we count in 4s. Let's try it together. Let's count in tens. 10. If you add another 10 to 10, I'll have what?
20.
If you add another 10,
30.
if you add another 10,
40.
if I add another 10,
50.
and so on. So we can't do without counting. But the most commonly used counting system is counting in base 10. Counting in what?
Base 10.
What do we really call a base? If I round out a number, this is 5, right?
Yes.
Are you with me? This is 5.
Yes.
And write another number below it. The number that I have written below 5 is called its base. It is called what?
Base.
It is called what?
Base.
It is called what?
Base.
So now, if I am to pronounce this, I will say 5 is in base 6. Can you also pronounce that?
Yes. 5 is in base 6.
Base 6. So this is what we call base. So most of the time we count in base 10. Base 10 numbers can also be called decimal numbers. They can also be called what?
Decimal numbers.
They can be called decimal numbers. But in today's class, we are going to see how to count in groups of 2. When you count in groups of 2, that system is called binary number system. What did I call it?
Binary number system.
But when you count in group of 10, we call that decimal number system or base 10 number system. Do you understand that now?
Yes.
Now, binary numbers, they are those numbers in base 2. They are those numbers in what base?
Base 2.
They are those numbers in what base?
Base
2. Let's see base 10 numbers and other numbers. Let's start from base 2. Base 2 numbers, we have only 2 digits. 0 and what? 1. Base 3 number, we have 3 digits. From 0. 0 and 2. Let's move to base 10 because of our time. Base 10 numbers, we have what? 0 and
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
and what? 9. It is from base 10 numbers that we have other numbers. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Now, numbers in base 2 or any other base can also be converted to other bases. You can convert numbers from base 2 to other bases. Let us see how to convert binary numbers to base 10. For example, we have convert 111 in base 2 to base 10. How do we convert numbers in base 2 to base 10? It is very simple. Express each of the numbers. Multiply each of the numbers to the base and add it to the next. That is how you convert from base 2 to base 10. But mind you, you need to take note of this. Any number or anything that is raised to the power of 0 is 1. Is what?
1.
Is what?
1.
Now let's convert this to base 10. You have 111 in base 2, right?
Yes.
Yeah, let's pick it one after the other. What's the first digit here?
1
Times what's the second? Times what is the base? 2. You add it to the next number. Yes?
1
What is
times
the base? Plus the last number. Oh yeah.
1 times 2.
Now, each of the base must be raised to power ranging from 0. From what? 0. And you must start from the back. Do you understand that?
Yes.
That means power base 2 here we have what? 0. Power of 0. The next one will be 1. After 1, what will be the next one? So now this is mathematics. We need to expand this and simplify it, right? Yes. So here we have 1 times 2 raised to power 3 is what?
2 times 2.
2 times 2. 2 times 2 gives us what? 4. I will have 1 times 4. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 will give me what?
1 times.
That's 1 times 2, right?
Yes.
Plus 1 times. I have told you that anything raised to power 0 is what? 1. So let's simplify this. 1 times 4 is what? 4. Plus 1 times 2 is what? 2. 1 times 1 is what? 1. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 is what? 7. 7 in what base? What base are we converting it to? Base 10. Do you understand that now?
Yes.
Do you understand that now?
Yes.
You can also convert other bases to binary number. You can convert from other bases to binary number. Let's see how to convert this 7 to base 2 numbers again. We have 7 in base 10, right? We want to convert it to base 2. Mind you, every number must be in base 10 before you convert it to another base. Let's convert this 7 in base 10 to base 2. If you are converting, you use your LCM method. Which method do you use?
LCM
And you write out the remainder. So yeah, let's go. This is 7, right? And we are asked to convert it to base what? Base 2. So you use your LCM method. How many 2 will you see in 7? 3 remainder. 1. Write out the remainder. How many 2 will you see in 3? 1. How many 2 will you see in 1? 0 remainder. Whatever is there, which is what? 1. So you are writing your answer in this form. So let's write out our answer. 7 in base 10 equal to
1.
In what base?
Base 10.
Do you see that it rhymes? In base 2, do you see that it rhymes?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Thank you.